Want to automate tasks between your apps and services? Webhooks allow you to do that seamlessly. In this video, we'll explain how webhooks work, why they're important, and show you how to set one up. Let's dive in. What is a webhook? A webhook is a way for one system to send automated messages or data to another system when an event happens. Unlike APIs, which require a request to get data, webhooks push data automatically to a specific URL whenever an event occurs. Example: when someone makes a purchase on your e-commerce site, a webhook can automatically send the order details to your inventory system or trigger an email notification. Practical examples: GitHub to Slack notifications. Send automatic notifications to Slack when new code is pushed to a GitHub repository. Stripe to CRM. Automatically update customer records in a CRM system when a payment is processed via Stripe. Form submissions to Google Sheets. Automatically add new form submissions to a Google Sheet for tracking and analysis. Setting up a webhook. Let's walk through setting up a webhook from GitHub to automatically notify a Slack channel when new commits are made to a repository. Create the webhook URL. We'll use a service like Zapier or Integromat to create a URL that will handle the incoming webhook from GitHub. 2. Configure the webhook on GitHub. In your repository settings, go to the webhook section. Paste the URL you generated into the webhook form. Choose the event you want to trigger the webhook, like push events or new issues created. 3. Test the webhook. Make a test commit to the GitHub repository and watch the automatic notification in Slack. Common webhook issues: invalid webhook URL. Ensure the URL you provided is publicly accessible and correct. Response errors: the receiving service should return a 2xx response to confirm it received the data. Watch out for 404 or 500 errors. Timeouts: if the receiving service takes too long to respond, the webhook request might time out, and the sender will retry. Tips: security. Always validate incoming webhook requests with a secret token to ensure they are coming from trusted sources. Idempotency. Webhook events can be sent multiple times, so make sure your application can handle the same event being processed more than once. Logging. Keep logs of incoming webhooks and their payloads for troubleshooting and debugging. And that's it. Webhooks are a powerful tool for automating workflows and integrating different services. Whether you're using them for notifications, data updates, or triggering workflows, webhooks can save you time and effort. Try setting one up today, and if you're looking for more automation and debugging tips, check out our video on debugging objects in Node.js, Python, PHP, and Go.